In today's lesson, we shall be looking at definition and scope of economics. To start with, what is economics? Economics can be defined as a social science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means, which have alternative uses. This definition was given by Professor Lord Robinson in the year 1932 and is widely considered as the generally acceptable definition of economics. The reason why Lord Robinson's definition was accepted was because it focuses more on the central problem of the human society, that is, the scarcity of resources. We have a number of other definitions, like the likes of Adam Smith, who happens to be the father of economics. Now, according to Adam Smith, in the year 1776, he described economics as an inquiry into nature and causes of the wealth of nations. Now, Adam Smith's main focus was on wealth of nations, which talks about materialistic aspect of human life, and that makes Adam Smith's definition not to be acceptable. Then we have some other definers like Alfred Marshall in 1890. He defined economics as the practical science of the production and distribution of wealth. Having said that, we've mentioned Adam Smith's definition, who happens to be the father of economics. We've mentioned Alfred Marshall, who also gave his own definition. Then the generally acceptable definition by Lord Robinson. Let's go into the basic concepts of economics. But then, before we go into that, we need to talk about the importance of economics. The first is rational decision making. Human beings need to be rational in their economic actions. So that's one. Then secondly, it enables you to understand the economic system adopted by a country. Okay, that's on the importance. Now, the basic concept of economics, we have a number of them. The first is scarcity. Now, the concept of scarcity in economics simply means limited resources, as in resources not being enough. So because resources are scarce, we need to economize them and use them efficiently. That's on scarcity. Then we have choice. Choice simply means the process of selecting between two or more alternatives. Of course, you can't talk about choice when there is no option. So it means choosing between two or more alternatives. Now, we need to understand something. Scarcity and choice are jointly referred to as the subject matter of economics. Reason being that when there is, because resources are scarce, you need to economize the little that you have judiciously. So in making your choice, you need to be wise about it. Okay, that's on scarcity and choice. Then we have opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is also known as real cost. And when we say opportunity cost in economics, it simply means the alternative foregone of a choice. The alternative foregone of a choice, that is opportunity cost. Remember, it has another name because examiners tend to use synonyms very well in your exams, so you need to be conversant with that. Real cost, again, is another name for opportunity cost, which means the item not bought simply because there is not enough resources. That's an opportunity cost. Then we have money cost. Money cost, as the name implies, refers to the actual amount of money spent on the choice made. For example, Jessica bought a pack of chocolates for $5 instead of a pair of sandals. Now, she has $5. She decides to buy a pack of chocolates. Now, let me ask you a question. What's Jessica's opportunity cost and money cost? The opportunity cost is simply the item not bought because she didn't have enough money, so which is the pair of sandals. While the money cost is the actual amount of money spent on the pack of chocolate that she bought, and that is the $5. I believe that's clear. Okay. Then let's move on to the other concept. The one I would like to mention is scale of preference. Okay, to make it 5. Now, scale of preference actually refers to a list of your wants, your items, those things you love to buy in order of their priority. Now, of course, when I say priority, I mean according to their relative importance, one after the other. That is scale of preference. In the next video, we shall be talking about the scope of economics, and I'll equally be putting you through the production possibility curve.